Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the CogVideoX, an open source marvel that's pushing the boundaries of what AI can do in realm of video generation. If you ever dreamed of turning text into an image or vibrant movie visuals, then stay tuned because this is a game changer. So what exactly is a CogVideoX? In simple terms, it's a state-of-the-art AI model that brings your ideas to life as videos. Developed by the Todd team, it builds on the predecessor's CogVideo, and it takes things to the next level with the latest release of CogVideoX 1.5. Imagine a tool that lets you input a piece of a text or even an image, and out comes a highly quality video, complete with animations, colors, and all. CogVideoX is designed to handle multiple creative tasks, whether you are generating videos from text, creating seamless videos continuations, or transforming static images into the motion. This model got you covered. And get this, the latest update supports videos up to 10 seconds long in even higher resolutions. Now, let's talk about what makes CogVideoX stand out. The flagship model, CogVideoX 1.5 5B, offers stunning resolutions like 1360 by 768 and supports video generation at multiple customizable settings. With cutting-edge optimization, it runs on GPUs as modest as an RTX 3060, making high-quality AI video generation more accessible than ever. Setting up a CogVideoX is also a breeze. If you are comfortable with Python, you can get started with just a few commands. Plus, the developers have included plenty of resources, from fine-tuning guides to demo scripts or experimenting with the model. For the tech-savvy among you, CogVideoX supports advanced configurations like INT8 quantization and FP16 precision, which allow it to run efficiently even on lower-end hardware. And if you are got access to high-performance GPUs, get ready for lightning-fast generation speeds. The real magic of CogVideoX lies in its open source nature. This isn't just a tool, it's a platform for innovation. The community has already adapted it for diverse applications, from interior design to animation workflows. Projects like Cog Studio and DivSynth Studio further expand its versatility, letting creators deploy and fine-tune models for specific use cases. Let's get down to what you really want to see, the output. These stunning clips are all created by CogVideoX, driven entirely by text or image prompts. Whether it's an abstract dreamscape or realistic scene, the possibilities are endless. And the team behind the CogVideoX isn't just stopping anytime soon. With updates like CogVideoX Factory for single GPU fine-tuning and cutting-edge support for FP8 precision, the future looks brighter than ever. Plus, there is an ongoing commitment to open source collaboration. So, whatever you are a researcher, developer, or artist, there is room for you to contribute. Ready to get started? You can explore the CogVideoX on the GitHub, try it on a Hugging Face, or dive into the model scopes space for hands-on experimentation. Links are inside the description of this video. CogVideoX is more than just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of AI-driven creativity. Whether you are here to innovate, create, or just be inspired, this technology is here to empower your imagination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, bye now.